build a winning resume and get the job you want. Here are the 10 important tips to write that winning resume. What's up guys? This is LaiAnn here. Welcome back to my channel. There is a famous saying, first impression is the last impression. In today's competitive world, especially during this pandemic crisis trying time, the above saying is playing very important role. Today, people are searching for jobs in every field and in all directions. But some of them get success and some of them don't. If you're watching this, most likely you're one of them in one of these categories. So do you know why some of them are not getting the jobs they want? The answer lies in the job resume, or we call curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae? Curriculum vitae? Vitae? Okay, whatever. In short, CV of the person. And this is the first impression of the person for winning or losing the job. A winning resume is a tool that can get you an invitation to the interview for your dream job. So writing a good resume is part of your preparation for the job hunting. Although no one gets hired solely on the basis of a resume, many job seekers miss the opportunity of an interview because of an inadequate resume. Your resume can and should have a distinct personality to it. It should separate you from all the people applying to land that dream job. Be unique. It is time to show your personal brand, and this brand is called you. Before we dive into today's awesome video, I would like to give a shout out to Mahit. Thank you so much for leaving your kind messages and suggestions onto my video. Alright, welcome back. A lot of people think a generalized resume describing everything they have ever done is a great way to show their experience and skills. This is not true. You should only include information that is useful to the job you are applying for. If you are applying for a variety of positions, write more than one resume. To make this process easier, start with a general resume and use it as a template by cutting and pasting the most relevant information for the different positions that you're applying to. First of all, there are two resume styles, chronological and skill-based. So how do you apply these resume styles? The most popular style for resume is the chronological resume style. It provides a job-by-job listing of each position you have held, starting with your most recent. Use a chronological resume if you have consistent work history and your job titles are supportive of your objective. While on the other hand, if you are making a career change and your title and work history doesn't match your job objective, use a skill-based resume. A skill-based resume should also be used if you have gaps in employment, a short working history, your skills are transferable, your most recent experience doesn't support your objective, or you have an erratic work history, then skill-based resume is something for you. And here are the 10 important resume writing tips. Number 1. Know your target audience before you even begin writing your resume. Your resume must be consistent with the position that you are pursuing. Number 2. Use simple, not bombastic words unless technical jargon is really required and you can explain it well in a written form, or else eliminate it. Number 3. Design your resume to your prospective employer's needs. Highlight the skills and abilities that will make you an attractive candidate. Put focus on your expertise, abilities, and accomplishments. For graduates and freshers, you may include all the activities, titles, accomplishments, and part-time jobs that you have involved during your university year. For example, if you have participated in a sport event, make sure that you write it down. And also, if you have held some position as a committee member, for example, in a society or an association during your university, make sure you put that down too. Number 4, describe your roles and accomplishments with strong action words. And key terms that will grab attention. Number 5, your resume should answer the potential employer's questions, which is, why should I hire you? In less than 20 seconds. Number 6, don't forget to include your name. Your name has to be the most important thing on top of the resume, and your contact details. Also, do include your LinkedIn profile. If you do not have a LinkedIn profile, please, you need to set up one right now. And for your email address, make sure it looks and sounds professional. I would suggest you to actually use your full name. For example, johnmaverick@gmail.com. Number 7, keep all descriptions short. Descriptions should generally take up no more than 3 to 4 lines on the page. Full sentences are not necessarily. However, be consistent with the punctuations. Number 8, use bullet points. They make a resume more reader-friendly if used consistently. Number 9, aim for a 2-page resume. Decide on your key selling points. Provide evidence of this experience. Include qualification, for example, reduction in cost, increase in efficiency, improvement in processes, saving in time, etc., etc., etc. And finally, number 10, do a video resume. Do you know that video resume is getting more and more important nowadays? According to a research, 89% of employers say they will watch a video resume before they even picking up the paper resume. There are so many benefits in a video resume. One of them is it allows you to showcase who you are in a more intimate and personal way, which eventually helping you to create that perfect first impression to your potential employers. If you would like to know more how to make a video resume, because I know a lot of people have the camera shyness issue. Well, I actually had that before too, but I have overcome it. Then make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that you will get notified when the video is uploaded. So that's all for me today. I hope that this video will help you to write a winning resume as well as landing that dream job you always wanted. And if you like my video, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I run a private Facebook group which I go live to share more about career and personal development tips now and then. So if you are interested, please click the link in the description box below to join us. And with that being said, I wish you a great day, and as always, good luck and enjoy your life journey. Bye, ciao!